Hello, welcome back to my channel about urban sketching. During summer, my daughter and I went back to Starý Jičín castle to do some sketching together. It was really nice sunset evening, so I would like to share with you. As usual, I started with the pencil just to make sure everything will fit nicely to the page. I've been wanting to draw some rocks and stones for a while, but since I don't have any in my nearby surroundings, I thought that old ruin of castle would do. I must say this place looks really magical in this soft evening light, and I can't help myself to keep imagining how this place must have looked like when all walls were still standing and ordinary people live here their everyday life. As you can see, I switched to the fountain pen. This is my favorite one. It's a BAMF by Desiderata Pen Company, suggesting some stone texture. Here I am trying to achieve some contrast by filling a larger area with ink. I really like this pine tree and I am trying to figure out how to draw it so it actually looks like one. I am quickly finishing the line work and then I'll have to wait until the ink is completely dry, especially the splatters. Meanwhile, I'm waiting. Natalie is almost finished. And because that evening was really nice and warm, it dried really quickly and I could start it with watercolors. Even though my style combines ink and watercolor, I like to approach the watercolor part as if it was pure watercolor. So I build it up in 3 layers. The first wash, then the shadows, and finally the details. It's best to do the first wash fairly quickly, while everything is still wet and the colors can blend nicely. For the second layer, I wait until the first one is completely dry. Then I can break it into sections and there is no need to rush anymore. And Natalie is done and can go explore the castle ruins, while I finish mine at a slower pace. She's always faster than me. When it's a sunset scene, I like to have my shadows a bit purpley, and for that I use usually French ultramarine and alizarin crimson and a bit of sienna or sometimes raw umber. I needed more contrast, so I made a denser mix, more paint, less water. I am mixing greens for my pine tree. I used shadow green, sap green and hint of quinacridone gold for lighter parts. Sometimes I like to redefine the edges with the tip of the brush so the branches feels more organic. I know someone might say that using 100% cotton paper sketchbook is a waste for sketches like that, but I don't regret spending the money on it because, as you can see, the blending of colors is so beautiful and you can hardly achieve that on a celluloid-based paper. And as a bonus, using 100% cotton paper means it dries a bit more slowly. This can be helpful when it's really warm, but it can be a disadvantage when it's cold. And now it's only about touch-ups. I like warm light on the right side of the wall, so I am adding some orange here. I'm adding some splatters to indicate grass texture, and again a little bit of orange where warm light is falling. And as a last, I always add some lights with a jelly roll pen. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you in another one.